What's up, guys? Today we are talking about audio quality and why it is so much more important than video quality when it comes to creating successful media. A lot of new YouTubers, filmmakers, podcasters, and so many others think that the video quality is the most important part of making a video. And you would think that that was the case, but it's not. Audio quality is just as important, if not more important, than video quality. Neglecting your audio quality is diminishing the value of your videos. Good audio is essential for delivering your message clearly. With poor audio, your viewers are just not gonna get the message. They're gonna find it difficult to understand you and difficult to, put together what the video is about at all. I'm not gonna say that, visuals are completely secondary and, they're not important. Having good video quality will draw viewers in all by itself, but keeping them engaged is going to be a mixture of having excellent audio quality and somewhere between good and excellent video quality. I know a lot of you are probably not going to want to watch this whole video. You're going to be asking me, well, what can I do to ensure that I have good audio quality? The easiest answer is to invest in quality equipment and be aware of your recording environment. Background noise can be an end-all be-all huge distraction when it comes to the quality of your audio.
It is hotter than Hades out here. I'm sweating my whole life away.
As you can see, even the best looking video can be ruined by bad audio. And the truth is, good audio is more important than good quality video. Why? Because, to be completely honest, visually stunning video won't hold your audience's attention if they can't hear what's being said. It's an issue that we've run into in Hollywood recently with movies like Tenet, where technically some of the voice lines weren't supposed to be heard. It was supposed to give you this whole mystery thing, but it didn't. It didn't give anyone a mystery. It made people feel like they were missing something. It made people feel like there's no reason they should be there. So having good, clean, crisp audio is super important.
It's hotter than Hades out here. I'm sweating my whole life away.
Good quality audio allows your audience to fully immerse themselves in your content and helps them understand what's being said and why it's being said. It makes them feel connected to the speaker. It also adds depth and emotion to your video, making it much more engaging and memorable to your audience. And the more memorable you are, the more likely you are to actually convey the message you're trying to send.
It's hotter than Hades out here. I'm sweating my whole life away.
On the other hand, even a poorly shot video can be salvaged by great audio. Good audio quality can make a video more professional, more engaging, and more likely for your audience's attention to be held.
It is hotter than Hades out here. I'm sweating my whole life away.
So while good quality video is still important, it's crucial to remember that your audio quality should always take priority. There's not really a point to having a beautifully shot video if all you can hear is trucks driving by or the busy restaurant or anything like that. You want to have a mix, a good mix. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, podcasting, or any other type of audio-based or audio-needed content, understanding what makes audio quality good or bad is essential here. Bad audio quality is easy to spot. It could be muffled, filled with background noise, or have inconsistent volume level. These are the type of things that can make it difficult for your audience to understand what's being said or can, completely turn them off. Good quality audio has the opposite effect. It is crystal clear, it's easy to understand, it has a consistent volume level, minimal background noise, and crisp vocals. So with good quality audio, you can add emotion and depth to your content and really make the entire experience the most engaging possible. So what makes the difference between good and bad audio quality? the equipment you use plays the biggest role. Investing in quality microphones, headphones, and other things like that are going to make a huge difference in the final result when it comes to audio. Another factor is the recording environment. A soundproof room or a studio environment will reduce background noise, reverb, so many other factors, and that's a whole different video. But in order to get the best audio quality possible, you need a good recording environment as well as good recording equipment. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you're a professional filmmaker or you're just starting out or you just want to do a couple of YouTube videos about your carrot farm. It's not, none of that is important. Having the right gear is what's going to make the difference in the final result. I always carry a bunch of different stuff with me to ensure that I'm going to get the best audio quality possible, no matter what type of shoot it is or where I'm going to go. I'm always going to make sure I have these items. First up is going to be a shotgun or directional mic. I use directional microphones to get clear, crisp audio, and reduce background noise. Essentially what a directional microphone or a shotgun mic is going to do, it's going to focus on whatever is directly in front of it and only pull in that audio. For the shotgun mic, I do have a Rode shotgun mic around here somewhere, but unfortunately for this video I couldn't find it, so we're going to talk about my Movo shotgun mic. Movo is a great company. The stuff that they sell is on the cheaper side when it comes to price, but the quality is extremely high. I have a couple of these Movo shotgun mics and they have a decent windscreen. Yeah, they're just all around pretty good and they don't cost nearly as much as a lot of the competition. So if you're looking for a cheap option or an option where you can get multiple, one for each camera or however you want to set up your audio, then I would go with a Movo, and they have several options. Next up on my list is lav mics or lavalier mics. I'm actually wearing one right now. Essentially what they do is it's a very small, very sensitive, and very, I guess, tight microphone. And when I say tight, I mean its pickup range, where it's going to pick up sound from, is very tight and close to the microphone, instead of it just picking up anything else around the room, kind of like what your cell phone would do. There are a ton of companies out there that make different kinds of lavalier microphones, ones that plug directly into the camera, ones that plug into audio interfaces, so on and so forth. But if you guys want me to, I can make a video on different brands of lavalier mics. I personally use Rode, just the standard, the regular Rode lavalier mic, nothing fancy. They're about 70 bucks, 80 bucks a pop, and they work wonders and they last forever. Also, always, always, always carry a pair of good quality headphones, at least good quality, sometimes high quality. If you can get like some open ear headphones, those are the best because you can still hear what's around you and you won't get like hit by a truck. But high quality headphones, they let you monitor your audio in real time so you can make any adjustments you need. And on top of that, you don't have to, worry as much about if you're getting good audio just the first time. You don't want to have to reshoot or re-record and try to link up the mouth to the audio without essentially messing it up. The cadence of the shot, it's always going to be changed. It's never going to be exactly the same. And last but definitely not least, because while yes, you can do all of your audio on your camera body, I personally don't like doing that. I use sound recorders. There are 1,000 different sound recorders out there by another 1,000 different companies. Two very affordable options are going to be your Tascam DR5 and your Zoom H1N. They are both around the $80 to $100 mark, and they record excellent video, excellent audio. And I'm using an H1N right now to record my voice. So I would definitely look into getting a sound recorder. I always record, audio separately from video. and use the shotgun mic on my camera as a backup, just in case, you know, my H1N dies in the middle of me recording, or somebody falls over and breaks it, or whatever could happen. You know, you never want to have any less control of the audio in your video than you absolutely have to. So having external audio and, you know, at least one sound recorder running is a huge plus. That's going to be it for the video today, guys. Remember, when it comes to creating great content, you need good audio. It is key to having good content, whether, like I said, it's YouTube, podcast, filmmaking, all of it. Audio, audio, audio. Don't let poor, crappy audio ruin your videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.